On a Virgil of Bragdoon, back in her home tune. Never thought she'd settle down in a place like us. Cold coffee on a back porch, wedding chair rocking back and forth. Knew she winters through it all get dune, back in her home tune. Most people never found a job and filled in a rest. Never got into leaving the nest, holding on till they let go. That path just wasn't for her. She got out faster than a fireworks. Never taken time to slow it down. Now she's back in her home tune. Licking hoots at the cedars and the the morning dove sings beneath the sky, oh blue. All that thoughts that led her out on that road we used to do. Somewhere they fizzled out. Now she's back in her home tune. Wet marks a life complete, roads travelled and a fight you meet. Or is it just a silence of the times in between? Her mind is racing now she sits alone in the place that she used to call